Usum buat mitrang ba ka jala Meghalaya ba perston tensong loong ba ka entry point sa ka jala Meghalaya ki baldep njek ni empat dep njek ya da COVID-19 ru ki hab ban le ya ka RT-PCR test. Loong ba ka ni ka long ban pentikna ya ka jingpang ba kan omman rung sa ka jala Meghalaya pat ong ba ka long salon sa nak banta ki nong wan chong kai ni ki bawan nak jala ru kunju.
Let me just tell you one thing. See, yesterday we had a very detailed discussion because we really wanted to make sure that our people in the state of Meghalaya are safe, healthy, no infection, no transmission takes place. So therefore, the best way to do is we need to have some kind of restriction from the entry point. So why we decided that RT-PCR test is required from the entry point, irrespective of whether vaccinated or not vaccinated, because people coming from those red or hot places like Delhi or Mumbai or few more places which is the infection rate is very high. We said please go for RT-PCR test, irrespective of vaccinated or not vaccinated. This is purely done on the basis to make sure that our people are fully safe. Because see, if we don't do that, then we don't know. Because see, it's not necessarily that because you already vaccinated, you did not get any infection. But infection is still there. You get infection. Though severity is not there, though fatality is not there, it is mild, but the transmission takes place to the family members or to your friends or to people who are near you. So that's why we decided that restriction has to be there, and then RT-PCR test is a must. It is mandatory from the entry point. Why we put the restriction in place? The restriction is be it tourist, be it the residents of the state of Meghalaya, you need to complete this process, and the process is RT-PCR test is a must, mandatory, and then if you are negative, then you can do your normal duties at home or wherever you are. This is including tourists. Whoever comes into our state, they need to go for RT-PCR test. Be it tourists, be it permanent residents, or be it employees from different central organizations, they need to go for RT-PCR test. The regulation is only one thing. You need to go for RT-PCR test, or you need to produce your RT-PCR test in the entry point within 72 hours. Otherwise, that again we will not accept people coming in.